What if I told you that there is a way by which instead of paying money in the form of interest to the credit card companies, you can now make money by yourself by using these credit cards with $0 in cost to you by the end of the year. Hey, my name is Sharil and you're watching Modest Millennial, where we talk about all things money that they don't teach you in school. And in this video, we will be talking about the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card, and we will discuss about all of its benefits and nuances to see how you, an innocent credit card user, can make money by using this credit card. But guess what? The stock market is tanking, cryptocurrencies are crashing, and I'm sitting here making a video about a credit card. How dare you, Cheryl? Well, let me tell you exactly why. This is because right now, the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card is offering exceptional introductory offer that provides with a ton of benefit from using this credit card and makes it worth owning. Stay tuned in this video to understand what this card has to offer, as you definitely do not want to miss on some of its benefits. So of course, since we are talking about credit cards, let's try to break this video down into a few different categories, which will make it easier for you to understand this card. And of course, if some of these are a deal breaker for you, I do not want to be holding you onto this video until the very end. So feel free to drop off if either of the first few categories don't work out in your favor. These categories are qualifying for the credit card, annual fees, APR, balance transfer, bonus offer, and other benefits. Let's first quickly talk about what it takes to qualify for the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card is a more advanced credit card out there, meaning this card is not for people that are just getting started with your credit journey. To apply for this credit card, you will need to have good to excellent credit history. A credit score of at least 690 points and a decent credit history is recommended for those wanting to apply for this credit card. So if you think that your credit is a little behind on these aspects, maybe consider getting a beginner credit card like the Discover It. The next point we will be talking about is the annual fees. Annual fees is basically the money you shell out of your pocket just for owning a certain credit card. A lot of beginner type credit cards out there do not charge any annual fees whatsoever, but the annual fees for more advanced credit cards increases as the rewards from them get better over time. For the Chase Sapphire credit card, currently the annual fees is $95 a year. This is a decent amount, I would say, as some of the even more advanced credit cards out there, like the American Express Platinum credit card, charges $695 just for owning the card and maintaining the card year after year. But wait, didn't I tell you in the beginning of this video that this card will cost you $0 to own? You liar. Just keep watching the video and you will understand how this card can be completely free to own. The third point we are talking about is the APR, which is the annual percentage rate or the annual interest rate that the Chase Sapphire credit card or any credit card may charge. The annual percentage rate is the annual interest rate that the credit card will charge for any purchases if you do not pay off the balance from that purchase on the card in full within that particular billing cycle. Of course, you can always make whatever the minimum payment on the credit card is, but remember that the unpaid portion of the money you spent using the credit card is liable to accrue interest payments. For the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card, the APR is anywhere from 15.99% to 22.99% depending on your creditworthiness and on the prime interest rate. Another thing to note about the APR on this card is that for balance transfer transactions, the APR is same as the APR on purchases. For cash advances, however, Chase is currently charging a flat 24.99% APR. Now, of course, as long as you pay off your credit card balance within the same billing period as you swipe the credit card in, you are not charged any interest. And in order to keep this card free of charge to use, you may want to consider doing so. Now for the segment that you have been anxiously waiting for. Yes, the exceptional introductory offer on this credit card. Before we talk about the introductory bonus offer, I would really appreciate if you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance content. The Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card is offering new card members an exclusive deal. This deal can be really beneficial for earning some cool rewards that you can use for other walks of your life and save money. Basically, the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card is offering new card members 100,000 bonus points for spending $4,000 within the first 3 months of owning that card. These 100,000 bonus points are equivalent to about $1,250 towards travel when redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards. You can use the travel rewards to book flights, book hotel rooms, rent cars, or book cruises. And no, the reward points do not expire. As long as you have your account open for Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card, you can use these reward points whenever to book travel. See, didn't I say before that this card was free to own? But you might think to yourself, hold on a minute. That is only the first year that I don't have to pay the $95. What about the rest of my freaking life? Well, before you start bruising me with words and dislikes below, let's discuss some of the other major benefits that the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card is currently offering. and how these benefits can help you keep your cost of owning this card at $0 a year after year. With this card, you will receive a $50 annual hotel credit for hotel stays booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards. So if you love traveling, or if you even travel for one night away from home, that is literally $50 scratched right out of the $95 in fees you will pay for maintaining this card each year. But what about the remaining $45? From a reward standpoint, the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card is offering the following rewards at the moment. Chase will pay you 5 points per $1 spent on all travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, and 2 points per $1 spent on travel purchased elsewhere. In the US, on an average, people spend roughly $2,000 per person per year on travel. For a family of 4, that comes out to $8,000 for vacations each year. Based on the rewards that we just talked about, that $8,000 spent each year on vacations will earn you roughly 40,000 points towards additional travel or other purchases through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Each of these points is worth 1.25 cents. That leaves you with 40,000 points, aka $500, completely free to use towards traveling the following year. You were saying something about the $95 in fees earlier, weren't you? And if you don't travel as much or you have a smaller family, Chase is offering these other benefits that can help you earn bonus points that can then be redeemed on other services through Chase Ultimate Rewards. So here is what Chase is offering right now. They're offering 3 points per $1 spent on dining services, including eligible delivery services such as DoorDash, 3 points per $1 spent on select streaming services, 3 points per $1 spent on online grocery purchases. This has exceptions such as Target, Walmart, and wholesale clubs, 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. And finally, through March 2022, Chase is offering 5 points per $1 spent on ride sharing with Lyft. The average American spends roughly $1,000 a month on expenses such as groceries, eating out, food delivery, subscriptions, and entertainment. That comes out to $12,000 per year. These $12,000 spent using the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card can earn you 36,000 reward points that can then be worth $450 if redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Now, just so you know, all these points are worth 1.25 cents a piece when redeemed for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. So if you are an avid traveler, you may find this card to be really useful. But if you find yourselves amongst those that don't travel as much, but you do spend that average $1,000 a month on general expenses, your $36,000 spent will still earn you bonus rewards worth $360 to just redeem as cashback on your credit card statement. How cool is that? So that must be it, right? That's all the benefits this card can offer. Well, of course not. One of the unique benefits this card is offering is for food delivery. The Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card is offering complimentary 1-year subscription to DashPass, which is a $9.99 a month food delivery subscription service from DoorDash, offering free delivery for orders over $12. This is a limited time offer that needs to be activated by December 31st of 2021. And finally, the coolest of benefits that I have seen a credit card offer is that Chase Sapphire Preferred members will earn bonus points equal to 10% of total purchases made the previous year. For an average non-traveler from before, that is additional 1,200 points or roughly $12 just for being a member of the Chase Sapphire Preferred family. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedules to watch this video. And please don't forget to like this video below and subscribe to my channel for more similar content. Also, if you are tired of just watching me in this small frame, please follow me on Instagram, where I share spicy insights of my personal life and how I save money pretty much on a daily basis. Alright everyone, thanks so much for tuning into this video.